Hey guys, it's Santana,
and
we're back with another video.
Pretty girl, I don't buy drinks at the bar. City girl, yeah, they rock with me, I'm a star. Get it, girl, keep on going, you gon' make it far.
So today is a
productive
day vlog, a day in our life. I don't really know.
Something like that.
So right now we're about to go walking. It's
6 something.
The time will be on the screen, and we're about to just walk.
Period. My feet look cute.
But you'll see a little bit of that, and then you'll see us doing some other stuff too. Okay. My eyes look so. I like going the same way. Do you want to go this way?
No, let's do your thing.
Mom, we can go that way.
No, I know you. You're a creature of habit.
Don't get close. I knew you was gonna do that. Why do you do that?
Show the nails.
That's how you be.
So they did her own nails, y'all.
Yeah, period. But like, I'm not ready for that. But when I am, I'll miss my nails.
Huh? I don't know yet. I'm about to check.
I'm dead.
We just ran from this bird.
What's that?
We thought it was something else.
No, we just ran.
But now
I'm out of breath.
Yeah.
I can't breathe.
This walk, I haven't walked in 2 weeks because I usually do this with my mom. This is Sanae's first time because Sanae can never wake up early enough. But we're trying to lose weight. We're trying to get in shape. And it's hot out here. Like it said it was 74. But I think it's humidity. I don't know.
I was running, felt like I was running for like 2 seconds.
I'm dead. But I was about to wear leggings. Thank God I didn't. I would have really died out here. But look, our mom in ahead of us.
And we ran, so.
We ran. She was walking nice at a pace. She didn't hear what we was talking about.
Hey guys, so I'm about to be doing my laundry. Well, getting my laundry out. So I got my little basket. Ew. Okay, so I got my basket. I'm gonna I just got out of the shower from that walk we had. That joint was killing me. And I took a cold shower. I wash all my clothes together and just pray that they don't bleed. But they never do, so God's on my side. Like white clothes and all. Don't care.
Okay, so I just got off a meeting. Oh, don't look at that. Please don't look at that. Okay, so I just got off a meeting that was from 9 to 10, and I have like a little bit of a break. It's 10:17, 10:20 right now. So I'm about to eat something because you saw Sanaa made smoothies and that was for us. But that was it. That's all I had consumed. And then I consumed like this. But like, you know, that's not really filling. So I might get some cereal or something, chill out for a little bit because I start work at 11. So yeah.
And I'll also need this bag right here. So, yeah. Trying to walk up the stairs, vlog. Okay. Wow. Multitasking at its finest. We're just gonna take all these clothes out. It up and whatever. Anyhow, I never put these up. Whatever. Okay. So I'm gonna make outfits. I'm not gonna take all these clothes. These are just clothes I need to wash. But some of these I will be taking. So we leave Saturday and it's Tuesday. The weather on Saturday is storming, but 91 is the highest. 91, 91, 84, 84. So it's gonna be pretty hot. But I'm still gonna bring jeans because, I mean, I'm not gonna bring all shorts because then I'm gonna look stupid. Okay, let's start with the airport outfit because that's gonna be the outfit I wear that day. Start there. I think I'm gonna wear jeans to the airport. Because I don't know, it's not gonna be that the flight's not that long. Okay. So I think I'm gonna just run jeans. I'm gonna wear jeans. I think I'm gonna wear, mind you, these are all new, so that's what they have. Must she be loud? That's why they all have tags on. I might wear to the airport. This is my airport outfit. I think I might wear this Disney shirt with, I don't like the material of the biker shorts I was planning on wearing with that. Where's my other one? The other material ones. The other ones said Puma. And these have pockets, so they'll be way better. These are like workout material. So here's the fit. These biker shorts and this Disney shirt. Period. We got our outfit. Also, it's not TMI. Anywho, comment down below if you're going on a 4-day trip, how many underwear do you think should be brought? Let me know. Because I always been taught to bring like, if I'm going on a 4-day trip, I bring like 8 underwear. Not saying I'm gonna pee on myself. One, I need one in my carry-on. Well, both of these are carry-on. But like, if that weren't my carry-on, you need one in your carry-on just in case they lose your luggage, honey. That's one thing. But if it's just like a road trip, you still should bring 8 pair of underwear. If it's a 4-day trip. And there's some advice from Sanaa. But I like to make outfits, even though most of the time I don't even wear the outfits match together. So I'm gonna bring these shorts. They're just dark wash. Okay, so nothing over there. It's a dark shirt. Oh hey.
Okay. I can't turn this on.
With the dark shirt.
Oh, you're packing. Period. Are you packing or are you putting clothes in?
Packing. Both really. Not all of it. I just took this.
I'm about to say, damn, Sanaa, I thought I was packing a lot.
Nah, but I didn't want to put it away just to take it out.
Yeah. Well, look at this one. This won't be able to
You
fit
can
in
just
those.
edit it out.
This won't be able to fit
You
in
dyeing
those.
your hair while on the call?
I'm not on the call yet.
This won't be able to
I
fit
go
in
on a
those
call at one.
daggone thing.
No.
That's too big?
Probably.
Yes.
And my stuff is basically gonna be empty.
Yes, the thing can go on over here.
It can. But
We don't know how many people's going on.
But that's not my joint. My thing is that
But that is a carry-on.
I know that's not what I'm saying. I'm saying that when I put my clothes in there, it's gonna be a bunch of air in there.
Oh, then that's even better.
Oh, okay.
What are you trying to
Because
say?
it's not packed as tight and will go in that over
Oh,
there.
well, I'm not bringing nothing big.
Big.
That's
Because
considered big.
If I have anything with space, I'm filling it.
Oh well, I can't. I don't do
I
that.
hate empty bags.
So I'm a little concerned.
Whatever.
I
Because you just want to fill it
I
because
hate an empty bag.
Whoa.
space.
What's the point of having an empty bag?
you're supposed to base it on what you need.
Anywho,
I don't know
not
what
the
I
space.
need.
so basically,
you never know what situation
I'm gonna take this shirt
Hey,
too.
Tina, that doesn't make any sense, and I'm sorry, Nate. Go ahead.
I can see freaking
Those are
Beyonce,
shorts.
and I want to have the dress.
The drip. How many jeans and stuff should I bring?
I think 1 pair of jeans
Okay.
and 3 pair of shorts, and then within
Like,
those
would
3
you
shorts,
create?
biker
would you
shorts are
consider-
2 or 1 of them.
You doing
You
joggers?
get what I'm saying?
2 or 1.
So either you bring 2 biker shorts and 1 pair of denim
Or
shorts,
two.
or 2 denim shorts and 1 pair of.
I'm gonna
biker
bring
shorts.
these.
Because
And
I
a
don't
pair of
need them.
joggers to maybe wear around the house or leggings or
Booty
something.
cutters.
see, that's what I'm saying. Y'all talking about something while we're filling up the bag.
Okay, I'm gonna
You see
I'm
how-
gonna pack what
well,
I think, and then I'm
Tina,
gonna go
you
over it
just
again
wanna
with
fill it out
y'all.
with stuff.
No, mom.
Because I always forget something
The stuff that I
anyway.
fill it up with is what if we go to a fancy restaurant? What if I go?
I would hope they
What if I go
told
to
me
church?
that, and I
I
hope
don't know. We don't know.
restaurant Corona.
We
Oh,
have
there's
not
folks
been
eating
to
at-
fancy
There's
restaurants.
folks eating at Outback right now.
And you can wear
Outback
shorts.
is fancy.
I mean, I'm not saying that's fancy, but what I'm saying is I wouldn't want to wear no biker shorts.
Okay, we
Maybe
got.
I want to wear a skirt or something.
I look, you want to wear these too. Which one should I take? These or these?
Light wash.
Okay.
It'd be hot.
Makes sense. Right. I looked at the weather too. It's gonna be raining the first day we get there. Well, storming.
You can wear jeans.
Like on the flight.
I don't know. Hopefully, you don't get a leave. But it just said that day. I didn't see the time to start. We'll see. Anyways, I'm done here. I'll talk to you guys later. Maybe next week when I finish packing. It's like we leave on Saturday. Y'all look. It's like. Period. This hand looks really messed up. I mean, from the distance, it looks kind of cute. But up close and personal, it looks kind of like bumpy and stuff. But this hand looks pretty decent. They're kind of different sizes, but yeah. It's like, let me stop by.
Okay, so I look kind of shiny. Wow. Okay, so I just got off my team's meeting, my job stuff, you know what I'm saying? Very confidential information. But I'm about to edit this video that's supposed to be going up on Tuesday, the 21st. I think it's the 21st. So it's before all this, obviously. So that video will be out already. So it'll be an I. It's our entanglement video. Trey Songs. August Alsina and Rick Ross made, so we reacted to it. So I'm just gonna finish editing it and then I'm gonna upload it. And yeah, so I'm gonna have that, you know, playing while I edit, and yeah. Okay, so I'm done with editing and I just scheduled the video to get uploaded in like 30 minutes, but we're about to get some Dunkin', maybe something to eat too. But Dunkin', it's okay. Sorry if you could hear the bathroom. Okay, it just stopped. But Dunkin', donuts, period. I'm starving. Tangled up mask. Get rid of mask. Alright, let me take that down. Do I need that small?
I put my foot on the gas, take off. I cannot let these boys pass me.